Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good evening to you all. So we are back with the results of close-up coins. An example on the screen there was the Peter Rabbit. There was 5 50p coins to guess. And we are going to see now just how many people, if anyone, managed to get all 5 correct. I did make them super difficult this time, trying to win and make sure no one did. The first coin then was a Isle of Man commemorative coin. We knew that number 1 and number 5 were both territories. Coin number 1 was the 2014 Christmas Snowman and the Snow Dog, an absolute beauty. We move on then to coins number 2, 3 and 4. All 3 of these can be found in UK circulation. The railings there on the coin are from the 2003 Suffragettes 50p coin, a coin that I have actually found a couple of over the course of December. Definitely getting rarer now, £1.50 for a good quality one of those. Number 3, a coin that everyone got correct. It is the 2018 joint rarest Beatrix Potter. It is the Flopsy Bunny 50p, joint rarest with the 2018 Peter Rabbit. Next we move on then to number 4 and the third rarest of the Beatrix Potter set, again from 2018. Number 4, the Miss Tittlemouse 50p coin. Ending then with another territory coin and probably the most difficult of them all. Definitely needed your coin knowledge to get this one correct. And it is another Christmas coin. It is the Nativity Coin, again from the Isle of Man. One of my favourite coins from the Isle of Man. That has got to be true. And when it comes down to the Isle of Man commemorative coins, I still do believe that we are a long way behind them and they are definitely first in class. So here we go then, we're going to have a little look to see if anyone has got all 5 correct. Maybe not as many as last time, but I am still amazed that 4 people did. Squirreling Coins, Norman Graham, Smithy7890 and Andy Vickers. Again, a huge shout out to all 4 of you. What am I going to have to do to make sure you get one wrong? Another one of these will be up later. Stay safe and as always, thanks for watching.